Welcome back to a brand new legal breaking reporting, ladies and gentlemen. This is Justin, ladies and gentlemen. We're getting reports from NBC News that the judge in the Jennifer law case, in the Jennifer law case, has ruled that Donald Trump's executive order targeting the law firm is unconstitutional. Let's get into this reporting by NBC News and break down the legal analysis. Ladies and gentlemen, the article is titled, Trump Executive Order Targeting Jenner Law Firm, Unconstitutional Judge Rules. Ladies and gentlemen, the article reads, President Donald Trump's executive order against the Jenner and Block law firm is unlawful because it violates the First Amendment, a judge ruled late Friday, which was yesterday. U.S. District Judge John Bates said going after law firms the way Trump has is doubly violative of the Constitution because it targets Jenner and Block due to the causes the firm champions, the clients they represent, and a lawyer they once employed. Ladies and gentlemen, this quote is from Judge Bates. Quote, this order, like the others, seeks to chill legal representation the administration doesn't like, thereby insulating the executive branch from the judicial check fundamental to the separation of powers, unquote, Judge John Bates wrote, adding, quote, it thus violates the Constitution and the court will enjoin its operation in full, unquote. Bates noted, ladies and gentlemen, that not every firm targeted by the administration opted to sue, seeming to critique those firms who threw in the towel and agreed to give the Trump administration free legal assistance. This second quote from the judge. Quote, without ever receiving an executive order, these firms preemptively targeted with the administration, bargained with the administration, and struck deals sparing them. The deals largely mirror Paul Wise's, though the price continues to rise. Instead of $40 million, these firms have pledged $100 million or more in pro bono legal services. The administration has a hand in choosing, unquote, Judge Bates wrote, adding, quote, and in public statements, the president has flouted the prospect of deploying the firms to work on the administration's own projects rather than traditional pro bono causes, while acknowledging the firm's lack of wrongdoing. Bates was skeptical of the Justice Department's arguments during a hearing last month. In a statement Friday, Jenner Block said it was pleased with the court's decision to decisively strike down an unconstitutional attack on our client's right to have zealous independent counsel and our firm's right to represent our clients fully without compromise, unquote. Quote, this ruling demonstrates the importance of lawyers standing firm on behalf of clients and for the rule of law, unquote, the law firm said, adding, quote, that is what Jenner will continue to do for our clients, paying and pro bono, as we look to put this matter behind us, unquote. U.S. District Judge Beryl Howell previously struck down Trump's executive order targeting Perkins Coie, issuing a permanent injunction after finding Trump's order, quote, violates the Constitution and thus null and void. Well, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to do it for this legal breaking reporting and video analysis update. You all have been waiting to hear on the ruling in the case of Jenner Law. Now here it is. That is going to do it for today's legal breaking reporting, ladies and gentlemen. If you did enjoy this legal breaking reporting, please like, comment, share, subscribe, and enjoy. Firstly. Secondly, if you want to make sure you're always up to date on all the things legal breaking reporting wise on the side of politics, please hit the bell icon as well as the all notifications option. The bell icon is located directly below the screen here on the right hand side of the subscribe button. Thirdly, if you guys also want to stay up to date on all the things legal breaking reporting wise on the side of politics, please follow me on my social medias. They will be linked down below in the video description below. I'm on Instagram, Snapchat, Threads, as well as TikTok. There you guys will be updated instantly when I upload brand new legal breaking analysis reporting videos to the channel. Fourthly, ladies and gentlemen, please help me reach and achieve the goal of 170 subscribers plus. The reason why I'm saying 170 subscribers plus, ladies and gentlemen, is because right after we reach and achieve the goal of 170 subscribers, we have more subscribers to reach and achieve. Right after we reach and achieve the goal of 170 subscribers. Next, ladies and gentlemen, please stay positive, even though I know it's hard for majority of you to unfortunately stay positive during these unfortunate illegal induced darkness times caused by the illegal, unconstitutional Trump administration, Trump regime. It's even hard for me to stay positive at times during this unfortunate illegal induced darkness times caused by the illegal, unconstitutional, unlawful criminality of the Trump administration, Trump regime. Lastly, and please stay safe. Until my next legal breaking reporting, please know that justice will prevail eventually on the correct side of the law, despite Donald Trump and his illegal, unconstitutional administration and regime's illegal executive orders, illegal actions, and illegal behaviors, and unlawful executive orders, actions, and behaviors. Until my next legal breaking reporting, ladies and gentlemen, I will talk to you guys in the next reporting.